Here's my nice round chair. It's soft and it's very comfortable. My elbow kit here, my punch and moose antler, some pressure flaking pads, a couple antler pressure flakers. Put this block up under my leg. It sits against this soft chair, stays in place pretty good. My leg is laying on this to apply pressure to keep the tine down. Okay, I have a piece of Mississippi gravel here. I need to thin out some of the thick areas. I'm going to use this punch. Down here on this end is quite a bit of thickness. That was a nice thinning flake. I like this setup because my work is right here in front of me and it's close up and I can see what I'm doing. We still do the same things as in percussion, where you're hitting down on the edge to bevel the edge and make a striking platform. Turn it over and feel the strike coming. Nice thinning flake. This stuff is so beautiful. That was a beautiful thinning flake there. Let's come down here and knock some of the thickness off down here. I've beveled the edge. Not going to do a lot of grinding on this, using antlers. Remake my platform here. Okay, that should work pretty good. Sometimes I do a little light grinding with a sandstone. Beautiful, beautiful, big thinning flake. Okay, we got some thickness through here. Nice. was a good flake. Now we're getting real thin. Probably should quit right there and pressure flake the rest. The punch gave us a few big thinning flakes. Get this thing thinned on down. Thank you for watching.